Yonezawa Factory, the largest factory in Mitsuya, located in the Hachimanpara Core Industrial Park. There is Uesugi Shrine in the vicinity, which enshrines Kenshin Uesugi. The specialty of the Yonezawa Factory is we have hoop equipment of various plating types, and it is positioned as Mitsuya's hoop mass production factory. Among them, hoop plating that can process products with large bending height is Mitsuya's original production line. Hoop line floor boasting the largest number of lines. We have a lineup of plating types that match the functional characteristics. In addition to the hoop line, we also process racks and barrels of gold, silver, tin, etc. Automatic analyzer that enables in-house plating solution management. We offer better quality through inspection systems and inspection equipment to provide non-defective products to our customers. We are working to create a factory that is friendly to people and the environment by using a wastewater treatment system in the factory. Taking advantage of these characteristics, the Yonezawa Factory will propose the optimum plating.